Hi, so come unbox this gingerbread house that I'm gonna do. Today, just for fun. So let's unbox it. Okay, so there's everything. Wow. So, like raindrops, these gingerbread men, more gingerbread men. Now I have to kind of stick off because I was just doing something. Then we get this. Gumdrops. I hate gumdrops. And then here's this, the already made gingerbread house. And here we have just out some gummy cookies. These slices.